You're not bad with passwords. Your brain was never designed to remember them. Think about it for a moment. Every single day, you interact with dozens of digital accounts. Social media, banking apps, shopping sites, work tools, streaming platforms, and almost every one of them asks the same thing. Create a password, but not just any password. It has to be long. It needs uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, and it can't be similar to your previous ones. So you try to follow the rules. You create something complicated, something random, something like XF7 #92. At that moment, it feels secure, but 1 week later, you've already forgotten it. So you click Forgot Password. You wait for the reset email. You create another new password. And the cycle repeats again and again and again. This is frustrating. It wastes time. And it makes you feel like your memory is getting worse. But here's the truth. This is not a memory problem. It's a design problem. Your brain is incredibly powerful, but it's built for meaning, not randomness. Human memory evolved to remember things that matter. Source: faces, emotions, patterns, connections. Your brain can easily remember a childhood friend's phone number from 20 years ago, the lyrics of a song you haven't heard in years, the smell of your favorite food. Because those things have context and emotional meaning. But a random password? To your brain, it's just noise. There is no story, no logic, no connection. And when information has no meaning, your brain quickly deletes it to save energy. That's why trying to memorize dozens of complex passwords feels impossible. Because it is impossible, at least in a practical way. So the real solution is not to try harder. The smart solution is to change the system. Instead of forcing your brain to memorize everything, you let technology do the remembering for you. This is where password managers come in. A password manager is a secure digital vault. It stores all your passwords in one encrypted place. It generates strong, unique passwords automatically, and it fills them in for you when you log in. This completely changes the game, because now you don't need to remember dozens of passwords. You only need to remember one, your master password. That's it, just one. But this master password should be different from typical passwords. It should not be short or random. Instead, it should be long, meaningful, and easy for you to remember. The best method is using a passphrase. A passphrase is simply a combination of multiple words. For example, Coffee Sunrise Mountain 2026. This kind of password has several advantages. It's long, which makes it very secure. It's meaningful, so your brain remembers it easily. And it's extremely difficult for hackers to guess. Because attackers don't think in stories, they think in patterns. And passphrases break those patterns. For even stronger protection, you can enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. This adds an extra security layer. So even if someone somehow gets your password, they still cannot log in without your verification code. This simple step dramatically increases your digital safety. When you combine a password manager, a strong passphrase, and two-factor authentication, you create a system that is both secure and stress-free. No more password reuse. No more weak combinations like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No more constant resets. No more frustration when logging in. You save time. You reduce mental load. And you protect your digital life. So remember this. Your brain isn't failing you. It was simply never designed to remember random strings. Once you stop fighting your brain and start using a better system, everything becomes easier. Because smart security isn't about memorizing more. It's about managing smarter. And sometimes, the best productivity upgrade you can make is simply removing the need to remember things that machines can remember for you.